Okay, so I'm not sure if I am audible. So let me do quickly one thing. Let me try it from the my browser and let me see if I am live. Meantime, let's do one thing. Let's put message in the group that we are live and please start putting the questions, guys. Okay, so just give me one sec. I think like I can see already one question there is in the chat, which is really good, and I'm going to take that question. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, it's been a crazy week. Thanks for like all of it. Um, Ahmed is saying, "Yo, bro, does the turnstile work as a form of redirect?" Yes, see, the turnstile has a two functions mainly. The very first function is obviously protecting the malicious traffic. In case someone is sending bot traffic to you, in case someone is sending, for example, some kind of fake traffic to you, then in that case, the turnstile does that. And the second thing is it works as a redirector. That means it will redirect user once it is authenticated to the whatever link you mentioned. Okay. Um, does it only work as a redirector? No. The main purpose of the turnstile to use as a protection. Okay. If you want to use a redirector, then there are several ways to use other redirectors rather than turnstile. Okay. Gaurav, hey bro, how are you? Okay, Nadia is saying, bro, you didn't release the Evilginx source code as promised. Yes, I did. Which source code you're talking about? Yeah. Tell me which source code you are talking about. If you're talking about the Google, then those who have already sent me mail, they already got access to the Google. So I'm not sure which thing you're talking about. In case you're talking about Google, it's already delivered. Gaurav is saying, bro, only हमारे device में ही open हो रहा है link. Other devices में open नहीं हो रहा है efficiently. So, Gaurav, which link you're talking about? Tell me that too. Whenever you ask the question, all of you guys, like when you ask the questions, please give the details one by one. Like which source code you are using, which website you are using, which website you are talking about, and like so that I can understand the situation and guide you the correct way. Okay. So if you give like half information, like the Ahmed here, right? He say like turnstile is a redirector. Okay, so he didn't give the details like the redirector for what, like just a normal redirector, the security redirector, or what is it? Okay, I know like Ahmad doesn't have that much details on, but any case, like the Gaurav right here, right? Gaurav should mention the details right here. Okay, guys, please put the chat, and Gaurav, please give me the details. Anyway, also, Nadia is here saying that you didn't release the Evilginx source code, right? So tell me which source code you're talking about, okay? As long as I know, I promised the two things. First is Evilpunch fishlet for testing, and the second thing I promise is Google. Those who have purchased, let's say, all of three courses will get Google for free, right? So that was my promise. And those who mail me with the proper proof that they have purchased all of three, they already got Google from me. Okay, nice. So tell me which thing you're talking about. Polo saying, hey bro, I will punch fish. What about the what about the evil punch? Like, are you talking about the evil punch fishlet? If you are, then yes, the more Evilpunch fishlets are going to come in the upcoming days. Right now, there is only one, no, not one. Right now, there are four available for the practice. And once you understand the fishlet creation, you can create by like your own fishlet. So don't stress about that. If you are asking for big sets, then obviously only two big sets are available as of now. Okay, where can I get the fish So once you purchase the Evil Punch course, you get added into the one group, which is Evil Punch broadcast or something, course files or something. In that, you will get the fishlet, the source code, or whatever the relative things are. Okay, great. I am asking about the Evilginx new version for the Evilginx. I complained about the Evilginx not working properly for GoReady. Yeah, okay, about that. The thing is, I haven't fixed that all like right now. The reason being, I was working on the Evil Punch. I had to get the material for the Evil Punch out as soon as possible because the Evil Punch people were waiting, and yeah, that's why I didn't do that. But you can do one thing. You can try Evil Punch, and in the Evil Punch, I have already shared that particular fish set. Okay, so yeah, you can give a try there and let me know if it works. And if it is not working, then I'll be happy to work on the Evil Punch. See, now onwards, like my more focus will be on the Evil Punch. Okay, as I feel like Evil Punch is way better than the Evil Genix. Okay, so yeah, that's why. Okay, El Chapo, hi bro, how are you? Where you been? It's been quite a long time. So El Chapo is saying, so there is a latest source code isn't on the GitHub. So, which source code you are talking about? About the Evil Punch? Yes, the latest source code is already on the GitHub. In case your source code is not updated, please do one thing. In the GitHub, we have two branches. Okay, we have the main branch, and the second branch we have is a development branch, or you can the dev branch. Okay, so in case you're not finding the updated source code in the main branch, try checking the development branch. Okay, there you will find the most updated source code. There is a one contributor which is actively who is actively working on the fixing the bug. He might have pushed some code over there, so yeah, you will get that code too. Yeah, latest evil one source code is already available El Chapo on the GitHub. Polo is saying I bought the modified source material, but I was only added in the Evilginx group. Please, can you specify which product I need to get? So, if you have, like, so see, Apollo, first tell me in which group you want to enter, okay? Because I'm a little bit confused here. You're saying you just a Eugenic group. So, is it a course file group or is it a study material group? Because if you have bought the source modified source code, then definitely it should be the study material group. In case you are not in the study material group, let me know in the Telegram and I will add it. Okay. Please add me to the Evil Punch material, or can I just download it from the GitHub? See, the source code of the Evil Punch is already available on the GitHub. So obviously, yes, it's a free of cost. You can just download it right away. The fishlet, yes, it's a 90% same. You just need to put into the right format. Okay, the format is already given. So if you go on the GitHub and if you go in the samples folder, you will find the FluxxSet fishlet. In that FluxxSet fishlet, all of this sample is given. Okay, how the structure is working, how the thing naming feature is working, and everything. Just copy paste previous your office fishlet with that particular format, and you are ready to go. Okay, it will work. Next question is the Evil Punch doesn't have changing the lore's host name like the Evil Genius does it. No. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to create multiple copies of the same fishlet and use as a multiple host. That multiple host thing is not added yet, but in case you want it, in case you feel that that is useful, what you can do is you can just get clone the source code, create a fork, and do the your modifications. It's not that hard, by the way. It's in the Python, so even if you use cursor AI or something, it will do really good job. Okay, so yeah, if it is possible by you, please go ahead, do the modification, push to the main repository. It will help the community. Okay, eventually, like, see, for the Evil Punch, I would like to make one thing clear. Evil Punch is not going to be private anytime soon. I want to make it Evil Punch as the same level as a Evilginx in terms of the popularity. Okay, so forget about the making the Evil Punch private. It is not going to happen. Okay, everything, the latest source code, every advanced thing will be available on the GitHub, and it will be actively patched, actively maintained. Okay, So yeah, you can trust Evilpunch. Next question is Lushang. No, Lushang question is done, I guess. Polo. I was added to the Evilginx study material group. I thought the purchase covered the Evilginx and the Evilpunch. No, 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 no. Both are separate things. The Evilpunch course is different. The Evilpunch course is different. Evilginx course is different. Okay. Um, yeah, so few people had access to the one certain source code from the Evilgenix. To those people, very selected people, maybe two, three people, I promise that I will share access to the Evil Punch, and I have already done that. Okay, so yeah, that is it. That is it. So apart from those people, I think all of people needs to purchase the Evil Punch in order to get the access. Okay. Great. Gaurav is saying, I use Gophish and create a Gmail phishing link, but the link open only my device, other device not open. What is the problem? So first of all, how you're hosting it is global, and if it is opening only on your device, probably it has a authentication cookies on your device, the Evilgenix cookie. So that's why it is opening on the your device. So make sure that you send the proper lore to other devices in order to open. Okay, because I haven't seen this kind of situation before. In case you have more detail, please share it. Otherwise, add in on the FluxxSet.com. Let the community see it and let's see if any solution comes up. Okay, great. Uh, Jesus. Okay, Jesus. Is there no discount for us? Is already in the Evilginx course? See, if I talk about the original author of the Evilginx, which is Kreski, he's selling everything for the 400 euro or 300 euro. I don't know. Okay, so I am providing exactly same knowledge for the fraction of the cost. Okay, and on top of that also, if you are asking for the discount and all, then it's a little bit problematic, to be honest, because it takes time to maintain, right? So like, see, the people take the course, people take the material. If they face any issue, they use the website, they ask the question. They ask me question on my personal Telegram, they ask question me on the live stream, and I actively attend their question on the website and the live chat. Telegram might be a little bit slow, but yes, I attend their questions. And in return, what I am asking is a fraction of the cost. That's it. And that only if you purchase the course. That's it. Okay, I hope it's, I think it's reasonable. Okay, your video is skipping. My video is skipping. My video is skipping. My video is skipping. I'm not sure why it's happening. Guys, let me know in the chat if my video is skipping or what. I don't think so. My video is skipping. Uh, Maybe issue with my webcam because I'm using my phone as a webcam because my camera is broke. Company is supposed to send me camera for replacement like 5 days ago, but they haven't sent me. So please adjust this live stream. I promise next live stream you will be saying proper webcam. Okay. Also, there is a like button. Click that like button. Also, there is a next question. Can Puppet be implemented to Evil Punch 2? Yes, yes, yes. It is crazy simple to implement Puppet in the Evil Punch. Evil Punch is designed in the first place to make its things simpler. Because if you want to integrate Puppet in the Evil Genix, it was a pain. It was pain. So that's why we have put the evil punch in the way that the puppet integration becomes way much easier. And not only like you integrate the puppet from the, let's say, puppeteer, you can use any headerless browser framework, literally any. You can use Selenium, you can use puppeteer, you you can use the playwright, you can use any, and it will work just fine. Yes, it is true that I haven't released the demo for that, but yeah, you can expect demo for that in, like, I don't know, 1 week or something, because it's been like crazy busy week. But yes, the puppet integration was the main thing I want to focus on when it comes to the evil punch. Okay, and that is what make going to make the evil punch differentiate from the Evilginx in the first place. To be sure, like honest. Okay. Can I use the Office 365 YML file in the study material group for the my fishlet on the Evilginx? Yes, you can use that. But see, what people are doing is they are using the file from the groups and they are using with their own source code, but they are forgetting that the source code also supposed to have the modified things. For example, it should not leak the headers, it should not send the host in the body or something, right? So these things, if they are there, then use that fishnet, otherwise use the source code from the group itself. Okay, great. So now I need to purchase the evil punch course and the modified source code. I purchase only covers the evil jinx, right? Yes, that's great. So if you get both of them, you get Google for free, for sure, and you get those courses too. Okay, so it's kind of win-win. Great. Next is Lushank is saying, can you make a class or redirect? It is actually a big thing at the moment. Will you consider that at all, even if it means the purchase course? Uh, yeah, definitely. I'm going to do it in the Evil Punch also. There is a no dedicated redirect video yet, but I think I have already created three dedicated videos redirect on the redirect. Uh, One of them is already available on the channel, and two of them I think in the course itself. So yeah, definitely I will going to create in the for the Evil Punch also. Okay. If okay, Jesus is saying if I pay for the Evil Punch, will you giving us updated course for free? Like for the Evil Punch, yes, you will be getting for the evil punch, but don't do this thing like you are getting the evil punch and asking for the evil punch, evil genix. Don't do that. Okay. If you get evil genix, you get evil genix. If you get evil punch, you get the evil punch. Uh, Good thing about the evil punch is I haven't created separate course for the materials for the evil punch, so it is included in the same one. That is a really good thing. Okay. So yeah, make sure that you get that course so that you will get the material. And even if I create that particular material separately in the future, those who have purchased in the past will get that material for free. Okay, so make sure that you purchase as soon as possible. If possible, any number exact location tracking only self. What is this, Gaurav? Okay, let me check. Gophish, Gmail, phishing. If possible, any number exact location tracking only. If are you asking me to add the location tracking in the dashboard for the users? If you are asking that, yes, it is possible. It's quite simple, by the way, because yeah, in the Evil Punch, the IP address is getting recorded already. In the front end, you just need to add the integration for the website who's basically converting the IP to the geolocation data. It's quite easy. Add OT is saying, is there a material group for the Evil Punch like Evilginx get updates? No. Uh, Evil Punch as of now don't have any materials. So whatever I'm going to share in the course only. Evil Punch course group only. Okay. In case in the future, if I decide to make a separate group for the material, in that case, whoever has purchased the course in the past, from that moment past, all of those will get free access to that particular materials. Okay. And after that, obviously it is going to be separate. Okay. Is the Google setup that you have to buy modified source code Evil Punch STC is for the Evilginx or Evil Punch? It is for the Evilginx. The Google setup is for the Evilginx. But to get that setup, you need to buy two Evilginx and one Evil Punch. Yeah, you got my point. Jesus is saying, how does the redirect in the Evil Punch work? We can put any link or it to redirect first before landing. See, In the evil punch, I have given the very good amount of flexibility when it comes to the redirect. I have given the proper framework, proper format by which you can create any type of redirect, literally any type of redirect. You can add multiple layers of the redirect, like literally you can have two redirect in one page, one fishlet. That is also I have given. Okay, so don't confuse redirect with the something else, because when I say redirect, that means the page which comes before the original page. Okay, that's what we call the landing page, and that is inside the redirect. And from there you decide that if the customer needs to be redirected or not, if yes, on which link. Like you can configure that. Okay, extremely sorry guys, I think I am live now. There was a network issue. Sorry about that. Okay. Um, Lucent is saying on adding the proxies to the Evil Punch after the adding the Cloudflare. Okay, adding the proxies to the on the adding the proxies to the Evil Punch after adding the Cloudflare. Won't this affect the SSL Cloudflare wildcard certificate? No, 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 not at all, not at all. Try to understand that where which thing is implemented. So this is the Evil Punch. This is the our server where the Evil Punch is hosted. Sorry, this is the server where Evilpunch is hosted, and this is our Cloudflare. And after here, there will be the user. So your user is going to come through the Cloudflare. Okay, and when you add the proxy, the adding the proxy means whatever the origin our Evilpunch server communication to the original website is happening, that is happening to that particular proxy. Okay, don't get confused from the Cloudflare proxy and the proxy on the Evilpunch. Both are separate thing. Cloudflare proxy means whatever the traffic is coming from the user to our server is being proxied through the Cloudflare. And the proxy added in the Evilpunch, that means whatever the connection Evilpunch is making to the original website, there in between that connection, that particular proxy is getting added. Okay, great. Uh, Next, audio is bad. I know, sorry about that. There is a network connection issue. Okay, anyway. Um, on adding the proxies to the evil punch after the adding the okay, that is done, that is done. Lucian is saying because it affect it on the Evilginx. Oh, it should not. On even if on the Evilginx also it should not. I'm not sure how it is affecting. Please create the equation on the FluxxSet.com. Let's see how it is affecting. Idiot is saying, oh, okay, does the Evilpunch course include the Fishlet for the Office 365 and Google? Not Google, but yes, Office is there for educational purpose, which you can use for educational testing and research purpose. How to make URL custom on Gophish? Ah, that's pretty much interesting question, because Gophish and I kind of not go on the same bus. Like it's been quite a while since I've been using the Gophish. Not you haven't used the Gophish. I usually prefer some marketing softwares over the Gophish. Okay, I prefer to create a link on the Evilginx Evilpunch, and when it comes to the delivery and tracking, I prefer the other marketing softwares. Okay, like there is one Magento marketing software, right? So that is also good. So yeah, it really depends which software they are using. I met one guy who said like no Gofish, nothing, and he set up his own email servers and he used no dashboard. He uses Bash script, BASH, Bash script to send emails, and he said that he has a delivery rate of 99.99%, and the industry standard is 95% or something, 94% or something, and he has a 99.99% or something. And very like, and bounce rate, what is the bounce rate? Okay, he mentioned something about the bounce rate too. So yeah, he was doing really good and he was not using any dashboard at all. He said there is no need to get the tracking at all. I can add the tracking inside the landing page itself, which is we call the redirector. Do you know good way to scrape a valid office email and how to get good SMTP? See, usually I don't get involved in this stuff. in the first place. uh, about the scraping the emails, I have already placed two videos. First is scraping from the domain purchases, and the second is scraping from the official documentation leaks. Okay, so all of those things are available. I don't want to show those things again and again, because that will lower my reputation when it comes to the YouTube, because YouTube is designed to push forward the more ethical ways. Okay, so I don't want to go unethical ways and all. About the SMTP, I don't have much experience with the SMTP. You can consider me as a noob. I am a technical guy who understand somehow the email works, who understand how header work, who understand how inbox and AI work, who understand how to set up the email server. Apart from that, I don't have that much knowledge. If you want the crazy knowledge about the email sending and all, you should go to the marketing guy like who organize the campaigns and all. He will be able to guide you properly. Google Wishlet is not sending numbers to the other number to click, only using the security code. Why? First of all, what is the number? Like Google Wishlet is not sending number to other number to click. Number to other number to click. What is this other number to click? Are you asking about the OTP, or are you asking about the device pop-up? If you're asking device pop-up, yes, it is sending. Are you asking OTP? Yes, it is sending. Are you asking about the authenticator app? Yes, it is working. If you are asking about the those private keys and all, which Apple devices has, Mac devices has, yes, that is not working. Apart from that, I think everything is working. Does this tool work on the Facebook? Facebook is a tricky part, because the Facebook and there are some website which are basically using, I think, the what we call the CDN level protection. Okay, I'm not digging in deeper into those stuff, but I'm really curious how that works. Okay, I'm really curious how that works. Once I get time, definitely I'm going to go deeper. A lot of people are asking about the Facebook, but yeah, I'm also stuck on the Facebook. What I have decoded from the Facebook is it is causing stuck on the 2FA page because of the some files are not getting loaded in the correct format. Okay, uh, reason being, it might be possible that the files that we are requesting has a signature in the request, because it's a S3 backend which is sending the file, or any static file backend which is sending the file. If that fingerprint is getting calculated based on the current domain, yes, that can cause the issue. And we cannot just create the signature every single time over the fly on the what we call evil puppet, because their signature expires after some time. So I don't know what exactly solution for the Facebook. Bro, if you are create okay, already saying like when Google says click three on your devices, it is working, brother. Click three devices and all, it is working. If you are doing from the iPhone and it has the that what we call keys configured, then in that case it will not work. That is the biggest problem everyone is facing. Bro, if you can create a private group for some money where people join and share ideas, people learn other than see about the knowledge sharing on the private group, more than people collaborate, they spam each other. They just want to hack each other. That's it. They just want to trick each other people. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. I have tried in the past. I have told everyone who is asking for the private group. More than contributing in the community, people try to spam it. Even on the FluxxSet.com, where like in the FluxxSet.com, you have noticed that when you need to create the topic, you need approval from my side, right? Why this approval is added in the first place? Because for almost 1 year there was no approval on the website. People started spamming. People started spamming on the website. That's why I had to add the approval thing there, so that no spam will get filtered. And if there is any suspicious post also, I immediately deleted it. Okay, lot of people do that. Lot of people. So that's why. David Stones, hello brother, how you been? David Stone is saying, "Hello Flux, please how to clone your mod Evilginx to my VPS." When you say clone, like I seen your question in the last live stream, I seen your question on the website, I seen your question on the Telegram, but I am not sure how exactly you are not getting my answer, because on the each platform I have already answered your question. When you say clone, you are using wrong word. What you want to use is, you are saying basically how I can upload my latest source code on the server. There are multiple methods. First of all, the VS Code method. You don't need to do anything. You just need to log in your server inside the VS Code, and if you drag drop the file, it will upload on the server. Simple. The second thing is, there is a dedicated repository I have created for the server file uploader. You can use that, and the video for that is already available on channel. Even for the VS Code thing, there is a video also available on the course also and the channel also. So I'm a little bit confused, like what is your core issue, David? Please elaborate more, because if that is the only issue, then I think you should have done that, solve that already. Okay. Sansa is saying, does this tool still work on the Facebook? As I said, the tool will work on the Facebook, no issue at all. But the page where the verification or some kind of stagnancy is happening, where the CDN file supposed to come to the browser but they are not coming, there you will be getting stuck anyway on the Facebook. Okay, so if you find solution for that, you can achieve Facebook on the Evilpunch also and Evilginx also. This is true though. Okay. Sin Jesus. Yeah, got it. Okay. Already saying, how do we identify the Google Fishlet cookie? Because it shows many codes and no header saying cookie. First of all, alright, tell me which Google you are using. Are you using Google from me? Are you using Google for yourself? Are you using Google from someone else? Please make that first thing clear, because in my case everything is okay. Sansa is saying, does this tool still work on the Facebook? Yes, it does. Uh, it does work on the Facebook. Apart from that, just give me 1 second. Okay. Um, yeah, it does. As I said, it is working on the Facebook, but make sure that you solve that particular issue, which is CDN file loading. Sin is saying, okay. Sin is saying, does this tool don't spam. Audit is saying, I have modified source code for Evilginx. I have modified source code for Evilginx, and what is this doing? I have modified source code for the Google for the Evilginx. Does Evilpunch have the same? Oh, no, actually, Evil Punch is not categorized in anything. Evil Punch is directly Evil Punch. Okay, whatever the advanced stuff is going to be, it is going to be directly in the Evil Punch itself. There will be no separate versions, because I want to make the Evil Punch more popular as the Evil Genix. So I would like to keep that way. Yes, Google from you. Okay, in that case, it is already working. So if you are facing issue, record the video, send it to me. Let me see what is the issue. Does this tool still work on the Facebook sensor? If you not, I already answered that question. If you are not stopping sending that question, I will block you. Okay, already just is saying, Google from you. How do I identify the cookie? Maybe green code. See, 2 days back only, like when I made the announcement about the sending the Google, I tested the Google, and it was working completely fine. Right now, it's been quite a while since I've been working on the Google, so I don't know exactly which cookies are responsible for the Google thing, for the login. But yeah, probably whatever the cookies I have mentioned in the list in the fishlet itself, those are the like core main cookies. Those are super compulsory. Does this okay? You're getting blocked. Don't spam my chat box. Okay, You just got banned. Okay, guys. It's been 40 minutes. If you have any more questions, please start putting the question. What is the difference between the 3330 and for Pro for 10 version? Please, can 330 work perfectly for as a Pro? See, in the Pro version, they have added some mechanism to make the fingerprint for each request differently, so that it will be not get detected easily in the browser. Okay, so it is basically optimized for the browser detection, not detecting in the browser. It is really optimized for that. So I'm not sure if it is working right now, because when they released it, yes, it was working really fine. But as I know, the Google Chrome has been updated 4 times since then. Okay, so in that case, if the Google Chrome has updated 4 times, there is a chance that they have fixed it already, because that's what they do. Okay, so before getting for the 4.0 or Pro version, please check if it is still working or not. Okay. Anyway, next question is, how to identify? Okay, that is done. Like how clone upload the normal Evilginx from the GitHub. How to upload? Oh, use the SFTP, RDP, or any HTTP file upload mechanism. Use any. Already videos are available in the channel, and if you check the question you added on the website with exactly same title, I have already sent the video there, so you can go ahead and check it, or you can just go to my channel and search for the file upload, and you should find it. Do I need to clone the original? No, 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 no. No need to clone. Whatever the source code I am giving is most up to date source code, and you can use that source code directly. There is a no need to clone and then merge the source code. It's not recommended. Uh, do okay. Please answer this. Is there any way one can create a webmail fishlet that can work for all domain? Well, usually no, because the things differ from the panel to panel. As the webmail can be hosted on the custom domain, the thing is you need to add the proxy for those custom domains. So you know, for that domain you need to have the host added. Next thing, I sent you video on the Telegram. Yes, definitely I am going to check the video. But don't pressurize me, because after the live I have some work, and after that I am going to check the video. Okay, guys, it seems I have reached to the end of the chat. Please put more questions, otherwise it's been time. Okay, otherwise I don't have any option rather than ending the stream. And by the way, live stream is the easiest way to access to me in case you have any question, because in the live stream I answer the questions in the live, so that you don't have to wait. If you message me on the Telegram, you have to wait. If you message me on the website, you have to wait for a certain time, right? So that's why. Jesus is saying there way can create the webmail fishlet that can work on the all domain. Webmail is security potential educational purpose. As I said, the domain is changing. Okay, so it's pretty much hard to do that. But yes, if you modify the source code to adapt that change of the domain, it might be possible. I'm not sure how to implement that logic. I'm not sure how it will turn out. It will be a little bit messy, but it will have. It's supposed to use the self-sign certificate, or the what we call the P2P certificate. Same for all of the domain. Then you will not get verified in that case. In that case, you need to add the Cloudflare in the front also, but I'm not sure how it will turn out. But yeah, if you are asking me technically, yes, it is possible. If you're asking me doing it by myself, I'm not sure how much trouble I will be into when I'm doing that. Okay, please can someone hire you to create custom fishlet? I'm crazy busy. I'm crazy busy. There are lot of functions that supposed to go inside the Evilpunch. There are some pending work for some people that's supposed to go, which is not going. There are some requests from the course guys also, which is are still pending. So I prefer to go do that first, and then whatever the custom job. Okay. Please Flux link the video to your website chat times. It's already done. What you talking about? So it's already there. In case it is not there on that question, just answer anything and make that question appear on the top. And definitely, I am going to answer that again. What is saying, is it possible to convert the Evilginx YML fetched to the Evilpunch JSON files? Yes, definitely it is possible, but there is a no automated process. You need to check the documentation for the Evilpunch, understand the format. Once you understand the format, then you will understand, okay, there is no much difference. There is only nomenclature difference, okay? Because like in the, let's say Evilginx, we call the host proxy, right? Proxy host. We in my case I call host to proxy. In some cases, Evilginx call landing URL. I use the login URL, redirect on URL, redirect on path, and lot of things. So I have made the nomenclature a little bit practical. So that's the only difference, I guess. Uh, Message ID not found. How can we fix that? So if you are stuck on the message ID not found, then probably you are using the source code from the GitHub, because that particular issue has been already fixed in the latest modified material. Let me know which source code you are using in that case, because I am assuming you are using from the GitHub. That's why you are facing that issue. If you would have used from the private group, that would have not given that particular issue, because that is already fixed. Okay, so it's been 47 minutes and the user count also has been dropped. So I'm assuming my voice quality is bad, or either my camera quality is bad, or my network connection is bad. Eventually, like, hence my setup is broken, everything is bad. So I will suggest we should end the live right here. And those who have got the membership, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. Tell me in the chat on which day we should be conducting live for the members only, because I really want to give something extra for the members only, those who have got membership from the YouTube. So in case, like, I see a lot of people from the members, like there is a all right, there is a David, there is a Jesus, there is a few other people, probably 5 6 people are there. I'm not sure if Polo is there. So if you are here right now, please let me know in the chat on which day we should conduct the live stream for the members. Okay, it's time, I guess. Thanks for watching. See you in the next, and probably in the next. Which day is convenient for me? Like, I don't have anything else to do. This is my full-time work. I do freelancing plus my own projects plus this also. So if you ask me on any day, I do any day. Let's do one thing, like we are doing already on the Sunday, right? So let's do one in the middle of the, let's say, Wednesday or something. Okay, Wednesday or something. I'll probably create a live and I will update the members only live on the Wednesday. David is saying Friday. See, I have a lot of people from the Middle East. On the Friday, they have some things going on. So I don't think so. Friday will be good, David. If I create a fishlet and can't capture the credentials and tokens, please give me 3 things that you believe the problem. First of all, auth URLs can be the problem. The second thing is whatever you are using the regex or regular expression to locate those things, credentials is going to be problematic. The third thing is the credentials are getting transferred over the encrypted format. So you need to basically inject the JavaScript, convert it into plain text, and send that request over the plain text on the network so that Evilginx or Evilpunch can capture it. Those are the 3 things. Okay, Wednesday is good. Okay, guys. That's all. Thanks for watching. It's been 50 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next end stream.